it so much. If I squint my eye like this, you know, it'll go away. I talk like this, it'll go away, guys. Yeah, it'll go away. So.
Merry Christmas.
What's up, Curvy Squad? It's your girl, Miss Curvy Silhouette, with another video. I have my retainers in right now, so I apologize for the sounds that I'm making right now. I'm super excited. This is my first Vlogmas since I started YouTube, which was last year. Yeah, last year. I don't think it was December though, but this is be my second Christmas on YouTube. My first Vlogmas. I know I am 3 days late. Vlogmas usually starts on day 1 of December. I promise you, next year, if I decide to do it, if I survive Vlogmas this year, I promise you next year I'll be more than prepared. I have a lot of content I'm going to be bringing to you guys for my Vlogmas. I have so much ideas, so much videos that are backlogged right now that you guys have not seen, that I have not been able to put on my channel, that I will be using as a part of my Vlogmas. Sorry, I have too much content, so I will be using them as a part of my Vlogmas. That includes my fitting them jeans update, that includes my trip to Cuba, everything. I have some other ideas as well. I will be doing a vegan nog recipe. It will be my first time trying it, and I will share it with you guys as well. I will be doing some treats like cookies and cinnamon rolls that are vegan as well. I'm doing something a little different in regards to gifts for the kids, as well as anybody else. And actually the kids are very excited to do it this way, so it might be something we do going forward, or until they get older at least, where they can go out and venture out on their own and buy me gifts. Makeup, I actually have an idea for a makeup tutorial that I actually want to try. Last year I did a glittery red lip. I will put the link below for you guys to check that out. That did come up pretty good, but I think this year I'm going to be focused on my eyes. So I am very excited about that. I'm using a particular color that's going to match. It kind of matches my living room now that I think about it, but it also represents the winter months, the snow, you know, the blues and stuff, blues. So I will be doing a makeup tutorial for that will just include my eyes. I'm actually in the process of decorating my living room as we speak. I'm not going to finish tonight because I do want to involve you guys in my decoration. I do want to get a couple more things. A lot of the stuff that I have, I reuse every year. Every year I used to switch up the colors. I could go from blue to red to purple. I wanted purple, but I did not get to purple as yet, but I'm not going to do that right now. Just so I don't have to spend more money than I need to, I'm sticking with the blue theme, the blue and silver theme. There's a lot of blues and greens and aquas and stuff like that. I'm looking around now, and a lot of blues and greens and aquas and silver and stuff. I'm sticking in that area with a little dab of red here and there. So I will be including you guys in me decorating my living room. I did a video last year. It may be a little bit different this year as to what I'm gonna do. Like the lights are gonna be different on the tree. I might add a few things. I did rearrange my living room, if you guys can tell. So I want to see how I can funk up the living room with this new arrangement. And yeah, just hell of a lot of things that I have planned for this Vlogmas for my first time ever, and I hope I survive it. As I said, if I do survive it, look forward to another one next year. If I find it very hard and very impossible, because not a lot of YouTubers do it, but majority of them do. I'm trying to do it myself, and we'll see how it goes. But that's it for now. Until my next video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys never miss a beat. I'm going to be uploading every single day, so you guys don't want to miss nothing. You guys want to keep up to date with the videos, so hit that bell. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video, and happy holidays.